In order to fix the App Store missing on iPhone, you need to follow these steps. In step 1, you just need to confirm that the App Store icon may not be missing from your home screen. So for that, what you need to do is that you need to swipe towards the last page of the iPhone where you would see this app library. In the app library, you need to look for the App Store icon, which in this case you can see it is here, or else you can search the app library by typing the App Store. By doing so, if you find the App Store in your app library, you just need to do the long press on the icon, and then from there you can add it on your home screen. But in case it is not found, then you need to open your settings, and within the settings you need to go to the screen time. On the next screen, you need to find out the content and privacy restrictions, and you need to click that. Next, you need to look for the iTunes and App Store purchases and click on that. Here you would find the installing apps, which is currently set to do not allow. Click on that. So here you need to change the setting to allow. And in case it asks you for a password, you need to give that. Having done that, once you will return back to your home screen, you would find that the App Store is back. And lastly, you can drag and reposition your icon to your preferred page or location. That's it.